guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cheyenne and today I'm gonna show you how to turn $1 sandals into this. If you're interested in turning your sandals into something really cute for the summer, keep on watching and I'll walk you through this sandal transformation. Alright, let's get started with the tutorial. First off, you're going to take your pair of sandals that you chose and pick up your lace trim. I chose a natural color because they're an espadrille style sandal. And you're going to measure the trim to the strap. So just lay the trim next to the strap and you can kind of eyeball it from there. And then you're going to cut the desired length of the trim. Next, you're going to take your fabric glue and you're going to go down the line of the trim. This glue is pretty strong, so I wouldn't be worried about it not sticking to the fabric. Once your glue is all set, you're going to want to place the trim underneath the strap, as you can see on the left, and you're going to go down the line holding each tassel briefly until it stays in place. The glue is pretty strong, so you don't have to hold for too long. You can play around with the spacing by spreading out the tassels or even gluing each strap closer together if you want no spaces in between the tassels. This is what it looks like once it's glued. You can see that it's glued nice and secure on the bottom, and you're going to want to do the same thing for the top of the strap. Just like the first trim, you're going to take your second trim and glue down the line, and once you're done with that, you're going to place it underneath the top of the strap and you're going to hold and place. So just hold briefly while each tassel is securing underneath the strap. And what I decided to do for the top of the strap was actually add more glue to the bottom of the tassels that I wanted to stay more in place, just because I didn't want loose hanging tassels as I was walking and brushing along my feet. This is totally optional. I just decided that I wanted the tassels on top to be more in place, but you know, personalize the shoe to your taste. If you want the tassels to hang or be more secure, just glue accordingly. This is what you get. Repeat the same steps for the other sandal and give it a couple hours to dry before wear. Alright guys, we finished the other shoe. Final product, what do you think? I think they're super cute for the summer, and espadrille sandals are totally in right now, so if you find any sandals or have any sandals, I think this is the perfect DIY to kind of spruce up your shoes right now for super cheap. And especially you can use different color tassels, so depending on the type of shoe. I think this is very simple DIY and 3 simple steps. If you try out this DIY and you like it, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you want to see some more DIYs from me. Hit the like and subscribe for more content in the future. We'll see you then.